Hello and very good afternoon, and today we have with us the rising star of the East, Aryan Kumar. And hi Aryan, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you so much. Good evening to everyone.
And we are getting to hear so much about this 365 billionaire. So what are all this all about? In this post-COVID situation, when all the industries are shutting down and people are laying off, so what is this 365 doing? What is this billionaire all about? If you could tell the Eastern Indian youth and women.
Okay, first of all, I hope everybody is doing good in this crisis. I think people have started doing innovative things. So I always believe, and I have been doing few things that when people stop thinking, I start, my work. So RN365, actually, my fan, you say loved ones call me because I'm an international athlete as well. So actually, it's like a multi-dimensional. I can walk. I'm a multi-talented person, as well as I competed for a country, got a few medals for my country as well. So that's how people call me RN365. So I opened this RN365 company, and with that, I'm opening a billionaire restaurant and cafe, and it will be opening soon on 12th of August.
Wow, that's wonderful. So what is this, this billionaire restaurant is all about? Is this all about a restaurant chain which we see, or it is something more than that?
Okay, it's just a small initiative, but it's a small initiative with big thinking. I try to always generate revenue first and definitely employment. I'm a peoples to peoples person. मैं इंसान के साथ प्यार करने बोलता हूँ. Nowadays people don't love each other. We become so much selfish, and we think about not do nothing. We don't know who lives in our neighbor. So, but I come from a very humble background, so I know the value of human. So I always think about how to generate employment. So in this crisis, you can say with that, okay, you can say that I am challenging Swiggy, Zomato, entire all the made in China product.
So you are basically trying to say that the oligarchs, they have invested in Zomato and Swiggy, and here is a brand which our Pradhan Mantri ji said that make in India. So you are basically going for make in India?
Oh yes, definitely. I totally believe that we Indians have mind powerful than any other countryman. So it's a made in India, and trust me, it is generating so much revenue, and it's groomed by me and my team. Raw talent, and the product is extremely high. Whoever knows me, you can say that I'm not believing naukri to naukar banata main chahta nahi. I empower people. So it's like giving respect to other person talent and empowering them with whatever talent I can generate.
So what are you going to empower people of the East with?
Okay, lot of businessmen I'm making. Everybody is a businessman. Whoever employed with me is not a employer. They are actually partner with me. It's like simple. I have the talent to make you. I'll make you. You have the talent to do something. Do it. It's just giving you power. I'll be always there to support them.
So let me now ask you, like billionaire restaurant, like what else other than restaurant? What else is coming up?
Okay. For the surprise, security agency is coming up. There is astrology is also being. Even astrologers are so powerful.
Wow.
Mark my word, they have been not empowered so much, but they will be empowered. And most important, I'm actually generating revenue and employment at a mass scale. It's like e-rickshaw.
Wow.
So from vegetables in the early morning when you go and purchase vegetables, हम बोलते हैं ना कि हमरा शॉगल में सब्जी किनते जाए तो आपको fresh सब्जी you will get it at your doorstep. And who will deliver to you? आपका बगल में जो रहता है वही आपको डिलीवर करेगा. सो एक ट्रस्ट फैक्टर भी रहेगा. कुछ गड़बड़ भी होगा तो आप बोल सकते हैं अरे राजू ये क्या देखे गए हो. सो इट्स जस्ट आई वांट टू मेक ए ह्यूमन चेन टू लव ईच अदर एंड जनरेट रेवेन्यू. It's pretty easy if we actually support each other. We can.
So with this e-rickshaw initiative, let me ask you, this is something very big. Is it going to be electric? It is going to be battery?
It's electric.
So you are also looking at carbon footprinting also down the line?
Oh yeah, there's a lot of surprises are there, but I definitely would love to share my business ideas, but for the time being, there is a big things are coming up. I believe in not talking big, just doing smaller things and making bigger. It's just that you can say till now nobody is funded. It's self-funded, and my employer they're doing it.
So fantastic, Aryan. We want to wish you all the best. In the
Thank you
days
so
to come,
much.
we will be back with you, and I wish you all the best for the 12th of August.
Thank you so much, and Bengal people, you people has given me so much love because I'm from Jamshedpur, but trust me, I have got so much love from here, and I have so many friends. So I've started my business venture from here. I used to fly from a lot of airlines like for 14 years, but trust me, बोलते ना तकदीर ने हमें businessman बना दिया, तो let's do it. And Mr. Modi has always told us made in India. Let's do it.
So
man.
you are basically, trying to say that we will use what is available locally, right?
Oh yes, locally, and few people or me also need help to grow in life. It's like a ladder. Why don't you together we can climb? So why to fall, push down to others? देखने से तो हमारा ही पड़ोसी है, हमारा भाई है. We all Indians are brother and sister. So if we help each other, look at me. People has blessed me. I'm here. Whatever I got from society, I'm giving it back.
So another question, let me ask you, Aryan, this is our last question of the session. What is the difference between businessman Aryan and individual Aryan?
Okay, businessman Aryan is very much responsible when it comes to doing something. If I take something, I'm like water. Put me in something, I can become genius in that. And mark my word, I become genius. I never wanted to be a businessman. Mark my word, I am far behind. Ask any businessman to sit for 5 minutes with me. I can make him sweat.
There's wonderful confidence when people say that West Bengal does not get investment, when West Bengal does not have initiatives. Here is Aryan Kumar from Jamshedpur who loves Kolkata, loves Bengal, and he's trying to do something for the youth of Bengal. And with camera, with Shomir Pal, this is Pratidin 24/7. Keep watching for more exciting to come.
Thank you. Have the trust. I will make sure you'll get it.
Namaste.
Thank you, sir.